Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the FORENNER H11 LED headlights combo pack. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, I'm just going to kind of show you what comes in the box, and then I'm going to show you the before and after. I'm not going to show the actual installation. I'm just letting you know ahead of time because it can be complicated. There are videos walking you through how to do it, all that stuff. This gives you a little bit of information about it. In here you'll have your instruction manual on how to do it. There are some QR codes and stuff like that come with this, which I'm not going to show. But I do want to show you that you have kind of multiple sets here, 4 total, and they should just be a relatively easy clip-in, plug-and-play option. So we're going to kind of just not demonstrate the install, but we'll demonstrate what they look like after the fact, and give you an idea of before and after, ideally. There's some additional parts. Again, read your instruction manual. It's just simple backup O-rings, stuff like that. So depending on what your car is, I'm going to be doing this on a 2016 Jeep Compass. So we'll get to it. Okay, so this is what they look like before. Give you kind of try and give you a close-up of kind of what they look like before we put in the new headlight bulbs. So we'll take it after we fix it. But you can see that it does a decent job. It's kind of just like a dim light though, so we're hoping for a little bit brighter. All right, so installation took about, I don't know, 5 minutes. I changed out the low as well as the high beams. Very simple process. There's plenty of YouTube instructional manual or videos on how to do that, but we'll show it to you in the evening so you get an idea of what it looks like as far as the full capabilities. All right, and as you can see, it's just significantly brighter. Really just an immense difference, and that's not even the bright lights. So this is absolutely a no-brainer. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thank you for watching.